Every July 4th, Americans celebrate their independence. Let's practice saying that word together. Independence. 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 Independence means freedom from the control of another person or country. Before the United States became a country, it was a colony of Great Britain. A colony is an area that is controlled by another person or country. In 1775, Americans started to fight against Great Britain in the Revolutionary War. On July 4th, 1776, American leaders signed the Declaration of Independence. This was a document that stated that the Americans did not want to be a colony anymore and wanted freedom from Great Britain. This day is now celebrated as America's Independence Day. Today, Americans celebrate the 4th of July in many ways. Many people wear red, white, and blue, as these are the colors of the American flag. Some decorate their houses with these colors too. Many towns and cities have parades. People gather to see marching bands and parade floats. Children love to receive candy at the parades. Often these parades also honor people who have served the country in the military. Families have picnics and barbecues together outside, as this holiday is during the summer. Hamburgers, hot dogs, corn, watermelon, and pie are all common foods eaten on this holiday. The most common activity to do on the 4th of July is watch fireworks. Towns and cities all across America have firework displays on the night of the holiday, or a day before or after. Some areas play patriotic music while the fireworks go off. Patriotic means having or showing love for one's country. The 4th of July is a time for Americans to enjoy and celebrate their country. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see my upcoming videos. Teachers, check out my TPT store for a PDF lesson that goes with this video.